Tiger Brokers has just came out with their latest innovation, the Tiger Boss Debit Card in partnership with Wise platform. This card allows you to earn a 1% cashback in the form of Tesla fractional shares, while also offering competitive FS rates when you use the card on overseas spends. But given that there are so many cards out there, is the Tiger Boss debit card even worth using? That's why in this video, I'll be reviewing the card, going through stuff such as how does the card work, how does it compare against other similar cards, are there any fees that you have to pay, and of course, what are the sign-up rewards that you can get when you sign up for the card. Also, do join my 8,000 members Telegram chat group to discuss or ask any questions that you may have. You might be wondering, what even does the card have to do with investing anyway? According to Tiger, their goal is a lot bigger than just an investing platform, where they want to be an integrated one-stop platform for your investment and lifestyle needs. On the investment side, you can already use them to invest in all kinds of products. For example, if you are looking to park your money, they have the Tiger Watch, which lets you earn a yield on your idle cash with no lock-in period. And now, they are looking to cater to your lifestyle needs, where you can use the card to spend locally and overseas. I think this isn't surprising, given the fact that ever since Tiger Brokers came into Singapore 4 years ago, they have been constantly challenging the norm. For example, back then, while traditional brokers were still charging a whopping $25 per trade, Tiger Brokers introduced low-cost trading, which greatly helped to bring down the cost of investing to just a few dollars. They then introduced a whole bunch of features to help investors make better investing decisions, such as easy access to company info, analysis tools, a global community, and even Tiger GPT, an AI chatbot which aims to make searching for investment info a lot easier. And now, they are also the first broker in Singapore to come out with a debit card that rewards everyday spending with fractional shares. For those who do not know, a fractional share is a portion of a whole share. This makes investing a lot more accessible, as you are now able to invest with smaller amounts of money. For example, instead of having to buy one entire Amazon stock or one entire Microsoft stock, which may cost a few $100s to buy, you can now buy with as little as $1. It also lets you better diversify your holdings, as well as give you more control over your portfolio composition. So here's how the card works. First, you sign up for the card lah, adoi. Okay, here's a pro tip. Well, you can directly get a card by opening up the Tiger app, going to profile, debit card, and applying for the card. A better way to get the card is to apply for it using a Tiger Boss card referral link, like my link down below. Because by doing so, you will get to earn a $5 if you are the first 10,000 people to register for the card and spend on an eligible transaction. Or if you don't have an existing Tiger Brokers account yet, you will need to sign up for an account first. Can also use my link down below to get an extra $30 Tesla fractional shares on top of all the usual sign up rewards. Once you have signed up for the card, you will immediately get a digital card, which you can pair to your Apple Pay or Google Pay. At the same time, your physical Boss debit card will be mailed to you for free and will arrive within a few days. While the digital card can be used instantly, to use the physical card, you first have to activate it by inserting the physical debit card into a payment terminal, then enter your card PIN, which you can find by going to Profile, Debit Card, then tap on Card PIN to see your PIN. Then you can either fund the card by transferring the funds over from a Tiger Brokers Prime account, or by using eDDA to transfer the funds from your bank account. Currently, you are able to hold SGD and USD currencies in your card, but according to the Tiger team, they are looking to support more currencies in the future. Then, once you have funded your account, you are now ready to pay with your card and earn a 1% cashback in the form of Tesla fractional shares. Besides that, the card can also be used as an ATM card, where you can use it to withdraw from overseas ATMs. Currently, due to Singapore regulations, you are only able to hold at most 5,000 SGD in the card, and there's a 30,000 SGD spending limit within a 1-year period. So that was a quick run through on how the card works. But I guess the more important question is, how does the card compare to all the other similar cards out there? To be honest, when I first saw the card, the 1% cashback doesn't seem that attractive, given that we already have existing cards that can easily give 1.6% cashback or more with no minimum spend. Also, their competitive FS rate doesn't look too attractive either, since there are other multi-currency cards that either have rates that are better than Google or give you additional rewards on your overseas spends. But upon taking a closer look, I realized I was wrong, because as it turns out, the Tiger Boss debit card is actually pretty good. Check this out. Here, I'm comparing the Tiger Boss debit card against other popular multi-currency cards such as iChange, Utrip, Revolut, City Rewards, Instagram Amaze Combo, and Trust Card to see how's their exchange rate like when converting from SGD to MRR USD, Japanese yen, and Australian dollars. So what I did was I first went to Google to get the currency's exchange rate, then went through each of the cards to also find out their rates. There were some currencies where I'm unable to check the rates via the app. So to solve that, I went to my Ko-fi page, changed the currency to the respective currency, then made a small donation to myself. That way, I will get to see all the latest rates. And here's the results. If we just look at the currency conversion rates, there's absolutely no way any card would beat iChange, since iChange is offering better rates than even the rates you see on Google itself. But if we were to include the additional rewards that you can get from the card itself, all of a sudden, the Tiger Boss card would win iChange in terms of overall benefits. Okay, currently the 1% cashback is expected to end on 30th April 2024. But according to the Tiger team, this promotion will be extended till June 2024, after which the rates will drop to 0.85%. So here, I'm just using the lower rates of 0.85%. And even so, the Tiger Boss card is beating almost every other card out there, except for the City Rewards plus Instagram Amaze combo, where they are able to give slightly higher overall rewards on certain currencies. So you mean it's better to use the City Rewards plus Instagram Amaze combo instead? Well, not quite. There are actually quite a few scenarios where the Tiger Boss card would be a better choice. First, the Tiger Boss card has a simpler eligibility criteria. So as long as you are between 18 to under 75, you can open a Tiger Brokers account and you straight away qualify for the card. Meanwhile, in order to get the City Rewards card, you will need to be at least 21 years old and have an annual income of at least $30,000 a year. This makes the Tiger Boss card the perfect card to use if you are someone who's just starting out, like a student, NSF, or even a freelancer who doesn't have a stable income. On top of that, the Tiger Boss card is also a lot easier to manage than the City Rewards Instagram Amaze combo, because let's face it, not everyone wants the hassle of managing multiple cards. With 2 cards, you will need to keep track of 2 sets of exclusion lists, like what City Rewards card won't be eligible for travel-related category lah, Amazon card will charge you with additional fees if you pay for certain transactions lah, and so on. Plus, let's not forget that the City Rewards card charges an annual fee after the first year. So if you are not frequently using the card, you won't be able to waive off the annual fees. Meanwhile, the Tiger Boss debit card doesn't charge an annual fee, and their exclusive list is pretty standard, such as no rewards for insurance payments, taxes, hospitals, schools, and so on. Plus, I also realized that the Tiger Boss debit card doesn't exclude the Simply Go 4111 MCC, meaning you are able to earn the 1% cashback when you take public transport. So that's nice. Besides that, the other nice feature is that the cashback you earn isn't just a normal cashback to offset your spending. Instead, you are earning them in Tesla fractional shares leh.
Okay, I know Tesla stock is pretty much worthless now.
But if you are someone who's bullish on the stock, or maybe you are looking to get started with investing, this may actually be a good place to start with. As mentioned earlier, the card doesn't have an annual fee, and you will also receive your first card for free. However, there will be a $15 fee if you decide to replace your physical card. There's no fee for paying with the card, whether it's locally or overseas. But if you do decide to use this card to withdraw cash from overseas ATMs, there will be a $5 admin fee plus a 2% service fee per withdrawal. Lastly, let's talk about some of the sign-up promotions that you can get. First, as mentioned earlier, there's the welcome rewards, where if you sign up using my link here, fund the account with $1,500, hold it for 7 days, while completing 5 buy trades, you can get free Apple shares, 1 free stock worth up to $888, and an exclusive $30 Tesla fractional shares, plus 0 commission trades. Then, if you sign up for the card using my link here, you'll get to earn a bonus $5 if you are the first 10,000 people to register for the card and spend on an eligible transaction. Last but not least, if you refer your friends to get the card, both you and your friends can receive $5 cash rewards for up to 300 referrals. And for every 3 successful referrals, you will also get 1 additional chance to participate in a lucky draw. So that's nice. Anyway, that was a quick review of the Tiger Boss debit card. But what do you think about the card? Will you be using it? Do comment down below and let me know. Like, share and subscribe, as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.